All right, welcome back to another episode where I'm trying to just practice for the Ludum Dare event coming up. Last episode, we got a little bit better platforming, and I think we got the ice block. Yeah, we got the ice blocks. That's kind of cool. Oh, that's a little glitch. So that has to do with uh, maybe I should do a circle um, thing for the character. But anyways, let's in this game in this episode. Let's kind of be quick here. We gotta kind of start speed running, creating this thing. I'm gonna duplicate the ice placer because I was thinking we should have it be able to. Let's see. Let's go -1. Oops, not -10, -1. Uh, -1. So that you could put one if you crouch. You can then place one below. So let's go here to our character controller. Doesn't really matter. Just kind of throwing these wherever. Crouching. And up here we'll do another bool is crouching, which equals false. Then down here we will do if input dot get. Now this is, we gotta hold it down. Crouching, I think crouch button. I'll check to see if that's actually one or not. So for crouching, we'll say is crouching true, else, geesh, is crouching is false. I am going to switch my keyboards really quick. Not liking the one I'm using right now, so just hang tight. All right, we're back. So we got the crouching. Let's just see if this is edit preferences. Nope, project setting. I don't see a crouch. Well, here we'll do this. Let's go back here instead of saying crouch. I don't know if you can get axis raw vertical, and if it's less than 0, I think then we're crouching. All right, let's so we have ice placer, and maybe we'll make this an array. Ice placer, if ice placer. How can we do this? Game object. Ice current placer. is equal to ice placer 0 if let's transform. Interesting, transform. All right, if current placer is, no, if is crouching, let's say current placer is equal to ice placer 1. All right, and then we'll change this to current placer. Change this to current placer. Let me save it, see if we get this. This one loads. It's kind of going a while. All right, let me just kind of pause it for a sec while it's reloading these. All right, I guess it's done. Let's go to the character. And ice placer. So here's placer 1, ice placer 2. Let's see what this does. So if I click that, I'm holding down. There we go. Yep. All right, cool. So that's kind of what I want. Now, you see how he gets stuck? I kind of hate that. For some reason, in Unity, when you have like two things right next to each other, your character will kind of collide with them. Let's see if I can change this to a circle collider. Let's add see if that fixes things. Circle collider 2D. And then turn this one off. See what that looks like. Oh. Alright. Ooh. See that, though? It's kind of weird. You kind of roll off that edge. I mean, whatever. We'll leave it. I don't want to spend too much time. It's a little bit weird. Maybe off camera, I'll look into how we can improve that thing, but we'll leave it there for now. So we got the crouching. All right, let's do some death. Some death objects, maybe. So let's just create empty 2D. We'll call this spike. And then we'll just add a empty square for now. Let's just change the color to gray. And let's add a box collider. All right. Let me move this over. All right. So let's create a script, and we'll call this depth object. And what this will do is if you collide on collision, enter 2D, if collision.tag.collider.tag is equal to, actually first you have to say if it's not equal to null, and then if collision.collider.tag is equal to player. Let's just do a debug real quick. Debug log. Kill the player. Add the death object. And let's go to character. Let's change the tag to player. Let's go to our console, kill the player. Whoops. Yep, kill the player. Kill the player. Alright, so we are dying. Alright, let's have a I know we could literally put this on the player for now. On the character controller, we're going to say public. We can say transformer vector 2 start location. And let's just for now, start location is equal to the transform dot position. All right, so then when we die, we're going to say collision dot collider dot transform dot position is equal to all right, we need to get the character controller, so character controller is equal to collider, nope, none of that. Well, collision dot game object dot get component, there we go, all that. And then we'll say character controller dot start location. All right, let's save it, see if that's working. Okay, so just let's see, boom, yep. Now we'll do like a death animation and all that. Okay, we just about have everything we need. All right, so we can get past things. So we can have like we can make a little level where we can kind of get past the, let me see the circle thing. Golly, I really don't like that little thing, but let me radius, make it a little bit smaller. All right, a little bit better. So now let's do a exit. So we have a way to exit the level. All right, let me save this. And we'll just create a new empty game object. We'll call this exit. And then we'll add a sprite to it. A lot of times I do sprites underneath the as a separate object than this. Just in case you do change like you want to change the position a little bit in your animation of your sprite, and it doesn't affect the actual location. Let's just make it like that, and I'll probably size this up a little bit. I'll probably have like a oops. Let's do 1. Or let's 2 and 2, or maybe 1. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. I'll have my daughter will make a sprite for that. Let's see. We'll call this. Well, we're not gonna call it anything. We need a box collider, and we'll give it a trigger. Let's make the scale of it 2, and let's put it just down here. All right, and let's go to our. Okay, what the heck is all this? Sprites. Let's create a script called exit. And we're going to say on trigger, enter 2D. Let's just do a debug, log. No, hold on. If collision.collider dot collision is not equal to null. If collision.tag is equal to player, then we're going to debug .log exit. All right, let me save that. Just going to check to see if it works. No. Let's go back here. If collision is not equal to null, if collision.tag. All right, what am I? On trigger, enter 2D. Oh, you know what? I never added the script. All right, that's what will happen. I'm not doing this these videos non-stop, whereas like in a Ludum Dare event, you're working kind of non-stop. I mean, you're taking breaks, but ooh, I'm dying. You are taking breaks, but sometimes those kind of things will happen. I am trying to do this quick. Not a whole lot of, a little bit of pre-planning. I mean, at least in my head. I'm not sure if this will matter. Let's try to set up a level. Just kind of real quick. So let's say um, can I scale that? Scale this. This will probably change completely because I will be maybe using a tile map. And then I'm not like doing this stuff. All right, so let me copy this. Let's move this over here. Right, let me copy this. I'm going to rotate it. And let me move it. Just going to make a quick level. Grab my spike. Put it here. All right. Then move my character, move him over here. Now what I'll probably have is some kind of like border system or border around the whole thing so you couldn't jump all the way around. But let's just pretend the only way to get to the exit is you gotta go this way. Now if you do like this, you see that's what I want. Okay. But something got moved. But I didn't move the I moved the I just moved the picture, not the actual platform. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yay, and we exit. Cool. Whoa, that was close. Whoa, I died. Just messing around. Whoops, see now? Now we'll have to wait. So this could be like level 1. That was interesting. Why? Pause it. Platform. Why was I able to put it there? Click the character. Let me see this again. Okay, got a little bug there. What could that be? Platform is ground. Let me see this again. Look. It's saying this is not colliding. It's collision. This one right here is saying it's not colliding right now. Let's take a look at that real quick. Untrigger enter. Let's say on trigger stay 2D is collision is true. So that's probably what's happening when I'm exiting. Yeah, there we go. When it was exiting, it was saying it's false, so we have to have that stay. Oh, I died. I just want to get back over to the other side without doing blocks. All right, so that is kind of the level. Maybe off screen, I'll just take a look at the collision. It's kind of okay. It's not terrible. See if we had a woo. Trying to see if I had to like jump my way over there. Yeah, we got through it. We cheated. We cheated. Yay. All right. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching and take care.